Hi everyone, my name is Christopher Blackden and welcome to my course Implementing Windows Server 2019 Distributed Networking Services. I've been working in IT and software engineering for the last 8 years, including managing and automating Windows Server environments. Any organization that has a presence in more than one region has data that needs to be available across those regions, and that can be a real challenge for an administrator. Fortunately, Microsoft has a set of tools in the Windows Server operating system that make it much easier. This course is meant for Windows Server administrators who have to manage data across more than one geographic area. We'll be covering two of the most powerful solutions that Microsoft has available: Distributed File System, also known as DFS, and BranchCache. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include configuring and securing distributed file shares, setting up DFS replication between remote offices, and configuring BranchCache with and without an on-prem cache server. By the end of this course, you'll know what DFS and BranchCache are, what their use cases are, and how to install and configure them. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Windows Server 2019 and PowerShell. You don't need to be an expert on either, but having some experience helps. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Windows distributed networking solutions with the Implementing Windows Server 2019 Distributed Networking Services course at Pluralsight.